April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Now, regardless of the weather where you are, it's always nice to have a new indoor walking workout.
Absolutely.
So that's what we're gonna do, straight walking with arm work, okay? So this is what it looks like. 2 sets of 5 exercises.
Oh boy.
Each circuit done twice, okay?
Okay.
Straight walking with arm work. So you're gonna do some
Alright.
upper and lower body work today. Okay, so any questions, Mom?
No, let's get stepping.
All right, let's take a quick pause here and get started. Okay, let's just warm this walk up. Get our feet moving, okay? We'll be doing some upper body work, so I just want you to, loosen up the upper body too, okay?
Okay.
So while you're moving your feet, let's just do some nice little shoulder rolls, gentle back. Okay, breathe. This is not even the formal part, but I just want you, you're gonna get more steps in.
Yeah.
Just because this is a warm up, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Really nice. And just to open up the upper body, let's just do some nice little side reachers. I'm feeling a little tight.
Every step helps.
That's right. I'm feeling a little tightness in my upper back. Did some weight training yesterday.
Uh-oh.
But that's good. So this little move is really nice to wake things
Well, you
up.
always say soreness is good, right?
That's right. That's right. Yeah, soreness is good, not pain.
Yeah.
But a little soreness is okay, because that means you're building muscle. Okay, let's go into that first exercise in our first circuit. We're just marching. This is it. Okay, this is the feet the whole time. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna just punch forward with our arms. That's right, punch it forward. And again, this is your workout.
Yeah.
So you make it your own.
Go at your pace.
Don't have to go at our pace. You can slow it down.
You can even do this in a chair, right?
You definitely, absolutely. Yes, you want to sit down and do this workout? That's fine. Keep those feet moving. Keep those arms going and breathe. Okay, just march it out. Straight marching. Get those steps in. You want to be really ambitious. You can do little fast feet here if you want, but up to you.
You want to show off? Go right ahead.
We love show-offs. That's okay.
No one's looking.
That's right. Okay, next move, easy peasy. Double arm up, okay? That's right, it's just up and down, okay?
Okay.
And here we go, we're on. Go. Look at my mom going so fast. You don't have to go fast. Yeah, breathe. Okay, if you want to go fast, go fast. Hey, the other thing is, you can even ramp this up if you want by just using some really light weights, okay?
Oh boy.
Especially for this shoulder move, you want very light weights.
Yeah.
But this is if you're ready for a challenge. I may do that in the second round. Okay, march it out.
Oh,
all right.
that was quick.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
This is what the rounds are.
I like those quickies.
Yeah, we're getting our steps in. That's right. Okay. Next move. Feet the same. Nothing else going on there. We're just punching it outside. Punching it out to the side.
2 arms?
Yep, 2 arms, double arms. We're gonna mix it up in the next circuit, but we got
If you're
this.
ambitious, you can go longer than 20 seconds, right?
Well, we're setting these intervals for this workout
Oh.
at 20 seconds, okay? But within the 20 seconds, you can do as many reps as you want. I mean, you can really speed this up if you want, right?
Okay, yeah.
But we're going together. We're in unison, in harmony.
Boy. We're in sync.
That's right. But hey, for you out there, if you want to ramp it up, ramp it up. More power to you. That's great. Okay, next move. All we're doing is pressing it down. Here, press up. Press up. Right, so just go down and up, just like you're pressing it down. Good. And press. Good. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Don't stop breathing, please.
Right.
Keep breathing.
Keep breathing.
Take deep breaths.
Yeah, sometimes, when you're doing new moves, you're so fixated on a move, you forget to breathe, but make sure you breathe. March it out. Okay, see how fast these are?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Next move. And again, you can ramp it up if you want during these little rest periods. Okay. Next move, we're just tossing it out to the side. Okay. You can see my cadence has changed a little bit. Yeah. But I'm just I can just be walking down the lane, walking around my mom here like this. Okay. Just like that. Move it, move it, move it. Yeah, it's okay. Good. So it's with a step that I'm pressing. Good. March it out. Nice work. That was the first round. We're going to go back to those double arm punches. Okay? So breathe it out. Looking good, everybody. On our nice little walk here, as you walk to somewhere unknown.
You know where I'm walking. It's out there, folks.
You're going to
It's
make
out
it.
there.
Okay,
I'm getting there.
we're on. Double punches forward. The suspense is killing me. When are you gonna eat it? Gee whiz, please.
If you don't know where I'm going by now, I'm sorry.
Keep it going. Breathe. Really nice. I like these nice little 20-second rounds. Okay, march it out. You can take up space. You can stay with us here. This is up to you, okay? All right, really nice. But I like that we're getting our steps in,
Yeah, we are.
okay?
Getting kind of dewy here.
Good, I like to hear that. I like to hear that. Okay, we're going to double up, okay? And up, good, up. That's right. And if you happen to be somewhere super cold,
Yeah.
these Arctic temperatures, this kind of workout is great to get that blood
Crazy.
pumping
The weather is so crazy.
and warm things up, okay? Yes.
Can't go outside, stay inside. And
Stay inside,
work.
work out with us. That's right. Okay, really nice,
You
everybody.
don't want to go outside in that cold.
Breathe, 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 breathe.
Although cold is good, it kills the germs. That's what my mom used to say.
That's right. Hey, you know what? I think in the last round I forgot these double sides, so I'm going to do 2 rounds of these. Okay, remember these things? Okay, double sides. Here you go. Press out. Press out. You would have remembered doing this because
You don't. We
my
didn't
hands
do it.
would have been in your face.
Yeah, I would have known that.
Oh, so sorry about that. We're going to do a double round of these. And breathe. Just really working your arms and your shoulders here and march it out. Okay, good work. Okay, nice. Good work, keep it going. Like what I'm seeing, we're gonna do 1 more round of those, okay, Mom?
Okay.
Okay, breathe it out. Can't here, move it back a little bit. Yeah. Oh, here you go, yeah.
No, I don't want to get hit.
I know, I just want you to be out of focus.
Oh,
Okay.
that's important.
Press it out, press it out. Press it out. Okay, so if my mom looks a little blurry, you know why, okay? But the point is that I'm not hitting her in the face with my long arms. All right, keep it going. Looking good, everyone. All right, nice work. Keep it going and march it out. Whew. Okay, breathe, 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 breathe. Okay. Keep
Is this
it
a
going.
test, by the way?
This is a test. Okay, I want you to do 1 more round of just these fast walks, okay? 1 more fast walk.
What happened to the press down? And
We're gonna do, oh yeah, we're gonna do press down now. Press down, press and down. Press, good, down, press.
then you have a double side toss.
That's right. Okay, move it back. Move it back. You can
Quit
move
cheating.
it back.
Quit cheating.
You can move it back now.
Hey, who's the teacher here?
You. Thank you. You keep me on track. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, there's a lot.
I don't mind
There's-
editing this if you want.
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Look at you move. You're doing great. I know, keep going. Breathe. Okay, we're gonna do that double side toss next. Thanks for hanging with me, everybody. We're getting it all done. Okay, really good. Breathe it out. Okay, we're tossing it out. And basically I'm doing a step and toss. You toss, toss. Good. Whole thing is just to toss it to the side. Okay? Yeah, good.
Kind of hard to stay in sync.
Well, here what you can do is just
is
step,
what you're
toss,
doing.
step, toss, step, toss, step, toss, right? Okay, and march it out. Okay, good work. All right, that was round 1. Thanks for hanging with me. Thank you for keeping me on track. All right, similar to our last round, we're gonna do single punches to the sky, okay? Not double, but single, okay? And I want you to just give me some nice little arms up and down. Okay, here we go. And you go at your own pace, okay? When we have these arms going above the head, that can really kind of fatigue you because your heart has to work. Getting this blood up, okay? So breathe, everyone. Looking good, really nice. Like we're climbing here. And march it out. Okay, good work. Okay. And we're gonna do those single punches forward, okay? Keep it going. I like how you're keeping your feet moving here.
Yeah, they're moving.
Looking good. Check in with your posture, okay? Your shoulders, hips in alignment, everyone. Okay, give me like single punches forward. Good. Yeah, here you go, nice. I like that. Okay, good. You're punching it out. Looking good. Stand tall, everyone. Stand or sit tall,
Yeah.
okay? Okay, march it out.
Very easy sitting down. If you can't stand up, that's fine.
That's right. Yes, because you're basically moving your feet. You're moving your upper body.
You're still working your heart, your muscles. That's good.
Absolutely. Okay. Now the next move, a little bit different, not press outs, but we're just going to do arms side to side like this. So the hands here. Yeah, you can move it back, Mom. Move back a little bit. I'm not going to hit you. Yeah, see, look at this, Mom. Shoulder level, side, side. Both go side, side, side. No, side and side. Yeah, side. Yes.
Okay. Windshield wipers.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Okay, march it out. March it out. March it out. March it out. Okay. Good work.
Yeah.
I had to be a little fast on that one because we were running out of time. All right, really good. Okay, next one's kind of fun. We're just gonna walk and we're gonna drum, just like this. Okay? Okay, let's go. Like say, fast arms, go. Nice. And you can slow it down, speed it up as much as you want. Okay? Ooh, I like your percussion there. Very nice, Mom. You're drumming it out. Good. Keep
Bongo
going.
drums. In my time, it was the bongo.
That's right.
Bongo drums.
That was the beatnik time, right?
Yeah.
Breathe, march it out, and march it out. Good. Love what I'm seeing here. Okay, good. You can move it back just a little bit. Good job. Okay, breathe. Okay, next one's an easy peasy bicep curl, but I want you to give me some good fists, okay? Engage these fists, so engage these arms as you go up and down, okay? And make sure you're standing tall. So here we go, up, down. Good, looking good. Now as I'm standing here, or even you're sitting there, I'm sitting tall, standing tall, engaging my core. My head is up, chin is up. Head, neck, spine, all in alignment. Okay, keep going, breathe.
Okey-doke. I'm getting there.
Looking good, and relax. Really nice. Now I'm gonna show you with these little, I'm gonna use some really light weights on this next round. Okay. And I encourage you to use really light weights because we're kind of moving quick. But you can pick up like a bag of beans is easy to hold while you're moving. Yeah. Something like that.
It's all right, I don't need anything. I'm not gonna use anything. My fists.
Use your fists if you're okay. We're going to single arm up and down. Okay? Yeah. Yep. Good. And again, don't mind the speed, okay? Don't worry about the speed. Especially if you're holding weights, you might be slowing it down now. Okay, but you're working the arms, these shoulders, in addition to your lower body. Okay, march it out. Okay. And I am really ramping it up here. We're gonna do some front punches next, okay? Breathe, everybody. Looking good. Take a breath. Really nice. Okay, keep going. Nice work, okay. And punch it forward. Yeah, so if you're holding these weights, you have to really kind of stabilize your core and, you know, while you're punching it out.
Yeah, I can.
But even you too, if you're not using any weights.
I'm not using any weights, I still feel it.
You can still, right? Feel, so you have to engage your core. Yeah. Whew, I felt that in my upper body. All right, really nice. Okay. Okay, remember I'm gonna demonstrate this next move, Mom. It's arms to the side, arms to the side. Yes, like this. Bend at the elbows, see? So you keep it at shoulder level. Yeah, like this, see? Watch me. Yeah, okay. All right, everyone, we're all in sync here. Good. Keep going. Keep your feet moving. That's right.
My feet are getting tired.
Good, I'm glad. We're almost done.
Thank you.
I'm holding these weights. I feel my arms and my shoulders as well. Just holding it up here. Breathe.
I must be at 10,000 now. I can feel it.
You feel it? All right. Awesome. I see your little feet moving fast. Okay, keep going. We're going to that drum move next.
Okay.
Okay. And since I'm using weights, I'm probably going to slow it down a little bit. Okay, but you go at your super speedy.
Well, thank you very much.
Bongo pace. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go. Yeah. Yep. You can alternate. You can do double if you want, but I'm alternating here. Good. Nice. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Good. Breathe. A few more seconds. Looking good. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. And march it out. Good work. Okay. Oh. All right. We got one more of the biceps. Okay. Breathe. Let's see here. I gotta look at my timer. And Let's go, we're on. Okay, let's do bicep curls now. I'm alternating, but you can go single just like my mom. That's good. Breathe. Keep it going. I like that. Good work. Whew. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Whew. And rest, everyone. Nice work. Weights down. Weights down. March it out. Really nice. Give me some nice little gentle side steps. We're gonna just cool it down. Nice work. Like what I'm seeing here? All right, nice, nice, nice. Okay, very good. Okay, stop the feet. Let's do some shoulder rolls to the back. Oh yes, 3, 4. I have a lot of arm work here. 1, good. 2, 3, and 4. Give me a nice open close. Ooh, that should feel good. Open, close. Give me one more. Open, close. Good. Give me that nice little stretch with the leg. One leg bent, one hamstring out. Should feel really good. You work your legs a lot of walking, lots of steps. Breathe. Okay, nice work. Take a breath. Okay, good. Stand up or sit up. Other leg straight out front. Don't have to reach, don't have to touch the toe, but reach for it. Breathe. Really nice. And come on up. Give me 3 inhale, exhales. Up and down. Up and down. And one more. Up. And do you want to clap, tap? Yep. Lean. I'm loving that. Feels good on my back. My side, center, and other side. Oh. And center. Nice work on this classic walk with arm work. All right, really good job, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. If you need additional cool down, please check out our cool down video. It's really important to get your heart rate down and your muscles relaxed. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a like, share, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us reach more friends, and we so appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.